Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tiffany & Co. model TF4121B in color code 8134/3B. It's a Havana-Blue color frame. The lenses are a brown gradient color and has a Tiffany & Co. logo engraved in the top left lens. This is the temple. It has a Havana finish with the Tiffany & Co. logo in gold. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, right over here. This is the other side of the temple. These lenses are RXable. Up here we have a Tiffany & Co. gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.